Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn data roaming off or on the iPhone 17. If you're using an Apple iPhone, you're likely going to be able to do this on other models such as the 17 Pro, the 16, the 15 series. Essentially, any recent iPhone should work the same. So first things first, go to settings. So find your settings icon, tap on that. And then let me do that again. And then from the settings page, go to mobile service. Within mobile service, go to mobile data options. And then you'll see that you have a toggle for data roaming. You can toggle that on to switch data roaming on. And when you do so, you'll get a little warning saying that when you're in an area that's not covered by your network provider, data roaming keeps you connected. Roaming charges may apply and could vary by activity, including messaging, using apps, making calls and more. If you're planning to be abroad, consider talking to your network provider about data roaming and other travel options. And then you have a separate button for turn on data roaming. So if you switch that on, that's how you connect to data roaming. Likewise, let me just go back here. Likewise, if you're in a situation where you want to switch data roaming off, go to settings, mobile service, mobile data options, and switch data roaming off. Easy peasy. You don't get a warning about switching data off. So that was just a quick video on how to turn data roaming off or on the iPhone 17 and any recent iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. As usual, if you have any questions, if this doesn't make sense to you, please do leave us a comment in the section below and we will do our best to get back to you on that. And again, thanks for watching. Goodbye from me.